Agents are the next step up from a normal AI workflow. Instead of just analyzing something and stopping, an agent can decide what to do, pick a tool, and go get a real answer on its own. Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. Today I'll show you a simple one, an agent that searches the web and emails you what it found. LLM versus agent. Quick distinction first. An LLM is just a text generator. You give it words, it gives you words back. An agent is a decision system. It can choose tools and retrieve real data instead of just replying with a paragraph. In this workflow, the agent is this node here, and the LLM is plugged into it, not the other way around. Agent architecture. The shape is always the same. User request, agent, select a tool, execute the action, return a result. Here the request comes in through a chat trigger, the agent decides to search the web, and once it's done, the result flows out to an email. Step 1. The trigger. We start with the chat trigger, that's the user request step. A sample message here. Find high-value leads that close this quarter with deal sizes over $50,000. So you can hit execute and watch it run without typing anything. Step 2. The agent plus LLM. This is the agent. It needs a language model to actually reason. That's this OpenAI chat model connected underneath it. The system message tells it exactly what its job is. Search for relevant information and summarize it clearly, because that summary is about to get emailed out automatically. Step 3. The tool. Google search via SERP API. The only tool this agent has is a Google search through SERP API. When it decides it needs current information, it calls this, gets real search results back, and folds them into its answer. One tool, one clear job. That's often better than giving an agent 5 tools it barely uses. Step 4. After the agent, send email. Now here's an important distinction. This send email node is not a tool the agent calls. It's just the next step in the workflow. Once the agent finishes and produces its final answer, that answer flows straight into this node and gets emailed out. The agent doesn't decide to send an email. The workflow does that automatically, every time. Let's run it. The chat trigger fires with our pin request. The agent reads it, decides to search, pulls back results from SERP API, writes a summary, and that summary lands straight in an email. So user request, agent, one tool, a result, and then a plain old automation step to email it out. That last part is worth remembering. Not everything after the agent needs to be another tool. Sometimes it's just the next node in the chain. If you want to keep building AI systems like this one, come join the free school community, links below. I share free n8n automations, step-by-step setup guides, and the actual JSON file for every workflow I post a video on, including this. See you in the next one.